This week has been one of the busiest weeks in the world of Samsung, and this is all thanks to August Unpacked, which unveiled tons of new products from Samsung. Here's your weekly roundup of the news and updates in the world of Samsung. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on SamMobile. The Z Fold 3 is finally official and looks to be a strong follow-up to the Z Fold 2, as Samsung have brought some much needed refinements and additional features and upgrades to their premium foldable flagship. Samsung have improved durability with an official IPX water resistance rating, and their new armored aluminium falls stronger and lighter when it comes to the frame. The outer cover display gets 120Hz added, while the inner display gets 29% brighter when it comes to the display, stronger protective film, and finally, S Pen support. We see Samsung implement their first under-display camera for the inner fold display for a more immersive all-screen experience. For more details and a closer look at the Z Fold 3, we highly recommend you watch our hands-on video. Although we did not see a new Note series this time around, we did get introduced to a new S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro is a dual-purpose S Pen which is set to bridge the gap between foldable and normal screen devices from Samsung that support the S Pen. The S Pen Pro is larger, battery-powered, which charges over USB-C, supports Bluetooth for air action gestures, and most importantly, has a physical switch to enable usage between the Fold 3 and normal displays that support S Pen. The S Pen Pro is set to retail at $99.99. With the Z Flip 3 being official, it might just be the foldable device to secretly steal the show. The new lower price point potentially makes it the first foldable flagship accessible to everyone or more people. The Flip 3 gets 4 brand new colors and an additional exclusive colors if you order directly from Samsung online. The improved design language, better materials, and durability improvements with IPX8 and the larger cover display, amongst others, really steps up the Flip 3, while the lower starting price really makes it an instant hit. We recommend watching our hands-on video of the Flip 3 for a closer look. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic see Samsung debut their first smartwatches running Google's Wear OS, powered by Samsung. With One UI Watch powered by Google Wear OS, it will be exciting to see both Google and Samsung bring together their innovations in wearable software features and hardware going forward, with the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic kicking things off. You have an array of new colors, sizes, accessories, and LTE models across the board for the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. For a closer look, we recommend watching our hands-on with both the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. You'll find all the full articles in this video in the links in the description below. For all the latest news daily in the world of Samsung, be sure to visit us over at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.